Attorney Chatterjee, as a licensed legal professional working closely with both documented and undocumented immigrants, how do you view the role of platforms like immigrationquestion.com in supporting and empowering the immigrant community today? In what ways do you think it adds value to individuals seeking legal guidance and trustworthy information?
Yeah, I think right now there's a lot of fear in the documented, undocumented, in between communities. There's a lot of fear because you're seeing things in the news cycle. You're surrounded by a community that's also scared. So, for there to be a place where you can go and ask your questions and almost feel a community of support or have direction of what you should do next, I think is incredibly important. The immigration system is exceedingly confusing and intimidating. It's built to be that way. So when clients come in and they talk to me even now and they're saying, I'm really scared because I don't know what happens next, but I know I'm too scared to go home. I know I want to stay here and support my family. I just don't know what that looks like. So I think if there's somewhere where you can go, where you can safely ask those questions, ask the questions that you're too scared to ask, or take to a lawyer's office. Lawyer's offices oftentimes charge for consultations, charge for your questions, and it's hard to find one. People who are immigrating from countries where they're speaking languages that aren't English, sometimes it's really hard to find a lawyer's office who speaks your native language and can help you in your own language. There have been multiple times that at the firms that I've worked at, we don't have somebody who interprets in French, for example. And luckily, my big brother speaks French. So I'm able to call my brother and he'll interpret between me and a client, but not every language is that easy. It's not really ever that easy to find somebody who speaks like a niche language. There's always the issue of a language barrier. So having somewhere where you can go and ask your questions and find somebody who can either A, use Google Translate on it pretty quick, or B, can just understand it and help you is really critical, especially with how much things are changing and how intimidating it is now.